In a beautiful forest, a mother goat lived happily with her 7 kids. She loved them dearly and took great care of them, nurturing them every day. One day, the mother goat had to go into the forest to search for grass. Before leaving, she told her kids, "Children, stay inside the house until I return. Do not speak to anyone outside. The wolf is always trying to trick us. He is a bad creature, and his voice and paws are terrifying. It is easy to recognize him." The kids carefully remembered their mother's words. As soon as the mother goat left for the forest, the wolf came up with a plan. He went to the goat's house and knocked on the door, softly saying, "Children, open the door. I am your mother." But the kids heard his voice and said, "No, you are not our mother. Your voice is a little harsh. We can recognize our mother by her voice." So the wolf came up with a wicked idea. He went to a mill and ate some flour to soften his voice. Then he went back to the house, knocked on the door, and said sweetly, "Children, open the door. I am your mother." This time the kids were confused. But when they saw the wolf's paws, they said, "No, our mother's paws are white, but your paws are black." The wolf then went to a bakery and smeared his paws with butter to make them white. After that, he knocked on the door for the 3rd time. This time, the kids believed him because of his soft voice and white paws. They opened the door. The wolf entered the house and swallowed all the kids. Only one kid hid inside a clock chest. The wolf did not see this kid. After swallowing the kids, the wolf, feeling full, rested under a tree and fell asleep. When the mother goat returned home, she found the door open. As she entered, she noticed an eerie silence and confusion in the house. "Children, children," she called out, but there was no answer. Then, the little kid from the clock chest came out and told her the story. "Mother, the wolf came and swallowed all of them. I hid." The mother goat was shocked. Immediately, she went with the little kid to search for the wolf. After a while, they found the wolf resting under a tree, his belly swollen. She quietly approached, cut open the wolf's belly, and rescued all her kids. They were all alive. Then she filled the wolf's belly with stones and sewed it back up. When the wolf woke up and walked slowly, suddenly, bees began to swarm around him. He screamed in pain and ran away, leaving the forest. The mother goat and her kids rejoiced as they reunited and lived happily together again. They put up a sign at the entrance of their house that said, "No wolves allowed," with a large cross over the wolf's face in the drawing. The mother goat and her kids lived happily ever after, free from the wolf's threat.